Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. Today I'm doing something different but so Jamaican. Like, I recall eating this as a child. My granny used to cook this, give me, not my mother and my granny. So I've been making some Cho Cho and saltfish. So this is something that's quite easy to make and it's very tasty. For me, it's more like some comfort food. I was home feeling for something nice to eat, went in my fridge, and of course, I didn't have much. Found these ingredients and I decided, hey, why not? So now I'm starting by dicing my Cho Cho. You want to get them small so they cook pretty quickly, or if you want to get them bigger, then that's up to you. So I'm starting off by mincing my garlic. Then I'm going to go ahead and make my flour for my dumplings. I'll be having my Cho Cho and Saltfish with some nice cornmeal flour dumpling, boiled of course. So I already made my dough. I also already have my pot of boiling water ready for my dumplings. I'm going to allow these to cook while I clean and put my saltfish to soak for a bit. So I tend to remove the skin of my saltfish before boiling just to get rid of the excess salt that the skin may have. I am also going to be adding my saltfish to my pot of dumplings. If you want, you can boil them separately just to be on the safe side that your dumplings don't get too salty. However, I had soaked my saltfish for a bit to remove some of the salt already, so adding to my pot, I could say it was pretty safe. I'm now going to add some oil to my clean hot pot and I'm going to add all my seasonings. So here I have my garlic, my onions, my scallion, my Scotch bonnet pepper. I also added my Cho Cho and I'm going to allow this to simmer until cooked. Then I'm going to add my saltfish. As you guys can see here, I'm going to mix that up a little and then I'm going to go in with some nice garlic butter just for flavor. No powder seasoning needed, just natural ingredients. And guys, let me tell you something, this dish, it was so good that I'll eat this every day. I can't stop thinking about it. Here is the finished product. I mean, it could probably use a little tomatoes, but hey, still looks pretty. I'm going to fry my plantains. Like, what is a good breakfast without some nice fried ripe plantains? Look how golden brown those are. That's just how I love them. Now here you have it, my boiled dumplings with cook up Cho Cho and saltfish and my ripe plantains on the side.